your destination for FRC content, updates, and gaming.
Welcome to the fun.
It's now time we head into the international events where we have Tyler covering two events, the new Taipei City and Honghai Regional in Taiwan. I'm sorry if I butchered that name, and the Izmir Regional in Turkey. So, Tyler, what took place at these two events?
The new Taipei City Honghai Regional had 35 teams all coming in from Taiwan, with many eyes on the number 1 Alliance captain 4253 Raid 0. Crazy enough, Raid 0 in their last two qualification matches would actually tie, and the one qualification match they lost would be to a team that they take as their first pick, 7527 Gongshan, and they would wrap up their last pick with 8806 Our Lady of Providence Dream League. Finals matches were close, but the semifinals matches is where all the drama was brought, especially in semifinal number 1, where number 1 seed squared off against number 4. Raid 0 only made 2 cargo and auto and was just off the entire match. Missing shot after shot, with about 80 seconds left in the match, they decided to go and play defense. While they were able to play pretty effective defense, the rest of their alliance was just not able to produce enough firepower, and with about 35 seconds left, Raid 0 started their traversal climb and were able to accomplish it, but 7636 on the other side of the Blue Alliance was also able to match, and Blue Alliance would actually win semifinal number 1. Now, Raid 0 were able to fix their issues, and while looking forward, none of the matches were blowouts. Raid 0 would win the rest of the matches pretty handily, and the number 1 Alliance would win this regional. Chairman's Award would go to 6998 NNKIEH along with the Woody Flowers Award. Entering Inspiration would go to 8020 Cyberpunk, and Rookie All-Star would go to team number 8790 Departure. If you're looking for more Raid 0, you're in luck. Week 5, they're going to be going to the Hawaii Regional, where you can catch them there. And, of course, we look forward to seeing other teams that qualified for the World Championships, or a couple do have a couple more regionals coming up, and we look forward to seeing them at World Championships in Houston in Week 8. Up next, the Izmir Regional would end up with 31 teams. Unfortunately, one of the teams from Poland dropping, but still one more there competing. And got to be honest here, fans, this event was dominated by 2 teams, and it wasn't even really close. Despite questionable camera angles I haven't seen since Minute Maid Park at Championships, it was quite interesting to watch 6838 X-Shark and 7280 Sneaky Snakes, who had an awesome premiere night video, completely carve up the competition. As the number 1 alliance, they would take 8054 Flare as their third pick. On the other side of the bracket, though, semifinals 2 and 4 were quite interesting, though, as both of these matches were tied and decided by hanger points for the tiebreaker, which led the number 2 alliance to win the third tiebreaker match, putting them in the finals. In the finals matches, very interesting. There was only 1 climb for the Red Alliance in both matches total, and that was only in finals match number 1. They were still able to score 78 points, though, in finals match number 1. And, well, this got me thinking if we'll see other events won without a traversal climb or having multiple robots climbing. It's possible that teams may be able to cycle points fast enough to only send 1 robot to climb. And I can't wait to see how this game may evolve, if we're going to see more than 2 robots on traversal climb, if it's even possible, or if teams are going to figure out that cycling might be a faster option. Congratulations, though, to the number 1 alliance for their win. 6429 Fourth Dimension would take the Chairman's Award, which would be their 3rd Chairman's Award in just a few years. Looking for that 4th one, Fourth Dimension. And 2905 Sultans of Turkey would hold the Entering Inspiration Award, with Rookie All-Star going to 8557 Conqueror.
Thanks, Tyler. Our featured preview for the international region is the Southern Cross Regional in Wollongong in Australia. Grace, tell us what we can expect in the Gong.
Down under in Australia, the Southern Cross Regional is the Southern Hemisphere's only event. This is the first time since 2019 that this event has run, after it being postponed just days before it happened in 2020. Only Australian teams are at the event, with no representation from any other countries, so there's a lot of opportunity here for relatively unknown teams to make a huge impact. As this is the only event many Australian teams are going to, competition will be fierce with a lot on the line. That being said, it's going to be a star-studded event. Some teams to look out for: our team Hall of Fame team from 2017, 3132, Thunder Down Under, and 2021 Hall of Fame team 4613, the Barker Redbacks. Being a double threat in both the robot game and the culture awards, team 5985, Project Bucephalus, is going to be a force to be reckoned with as well. At this event, 5 of the 36 teams are first-year rookies, and with the virtual nature of the last 2 years, 8 teams here have never touched official field carpet at an event. The Southern Cross Regional promises to be an event to watch in week number 2.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay up to date on our new videos. Keep the conversation going and provide your input to our content. Watch our live shows at twitch.tv/firstupdatesnow. Join our Discord at discord.gg/firstupdatesnow and check out Fun FTC on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and First Updates Now on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter.